Hi teachers, it's Susie Olson with Nasco Education. I'm here today to tell you about Free Lesson Plan Volume 42, Culinary Knife Skills Practice Kit. The kit itself is sold separately but comes in an easy to store box with all your supplies needed in it. I'm going to take you through the kit first and then show you the exercises that are included on the lesson plan. The kit includes a rubric, skills rubric for the students to use as well as for you to use to assess their current skill proficiency. And the printed instructions for you to refer to. Comes with 4 flexible cutting mats, a stainless steel ring, 4 6-inch rulers, 4 art trays that have a waterproof paper liner that displays the knife cuts, their names, and the dimensions. And the best part of this kit is 2 10-ounce packages of Mad Matter. The Mad Matter is how you are going to allow the students to practice the knife cuts without touching food. You can actually allow them to practice until you feel they're recipe ready.